look at the second question. This was a KCPE question in the year 1998. We are told what is the value of 3 over 4 of 5 and a third, you add 6 and 2 over 5, divide by 1 and a third, and then you subtract 1 and 1 over 5. Also in this case, we are going to use BODMAS. Okay, now in this question we don't have brackets, therefore we go to the next one, which is off, and we can see that we have off here, so we are going to work out this first. So we have 3 over 4 of 5 and a third. Now we have said that off means multiplication, so we can relate this as a 3 over 4 we multiplied by. Now this is a mixed fraction, meaning 5 is a whole number and a third is a fraction. When multiplying fractions, you have to change mixed fractions into improper fractions. How do we do that? We take 5, the whole number, multiplied by a 3, which is the denominator, that will give us 15, and then we add 1, which is the numerator. That one will give us 16. So it will be 16 over 3. 16 over 3. Now we can work out. We have changed mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we can work out this by, first we can cancel the 3 by 3, 1, by 3, 1, and then by 4, 1, by 4, 16 divided by 4 will give us 4. So we will have 1 times 4 will be 4, and 1 times 1 is 1. 4 over 1 is the same as 4. Therefore, 3 over 4 of 5 and a third, the answer is 4. Okay? Now, we write down what we have. We are left with 4 plus 6 and 2 over 5 divided by 1 and a third, you minus 1 and 1 over 5. Now we are done with off. The next one is division. Okay, now we have a division here, so the next step will be to work out these two first, which is 6 and 2 over 5 divided by 1 and 1 over 3. So we have 6 and 2 over 5 divided by 1 and a third, like that. Now when you are dividing, it's the same thing. First you have to change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Therefore this will be 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. You add 2 will be 32. So we will have 32 over 5. You divide by 1 multiplied by a 3 will be a 3. You add 1, you get 4. So divide by 4 over a 3, like that. Now we have improper fractions. Now when you are dividing fractions, we say that you change the division into multiplication, and then you find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, the second fraction is 4 over 3. To find the reciprocal, we know that the numerator becomes denominator. It will go down, and the denominator will go up, becoming the numerator. So we are going to have 32 over 5, change the sign, you multiply by 3 over 4. Okay, and then we can simplify this. We can cancel by 4 and 32, they can cancel out. By 4, 1, by 4, 8. And then we cannot simplify further. So it will be 8 multiplied by 3, you get 24 over 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So you have 24 over 5. Okay? Now, this is an improper fraction. Improper fraction, we know it means that the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And you have to change it into a mixed fraction like this. How do we do that? You take the numerator, you divide by the denominator. So we take 24, we divide by 5. Okay? Now 24 divided by 5 will give us 4 because of 20. When you subtract, you get the remainder of 4. Therefore, as a mixed fraction, it will be 4, which is a whole number, and 4 over 5. 4 is the remainder, so it will become the numerator. So you have 4, a whole number, and 4 over 5. So that will be the answer here. 4 and 4 over 5. Okay? Now we write down what we have now. We have 4. You add 4 and 4 over 5, and then you subtract 1 and 1 over 5. Okay? Now, after division, we go to multiplication. Since we don't have multiplication, we go to addition. So, we have addition here. So, we work out this. We have 4 plus 4 and 4 over 5. Now, you have a whole number, you are adding to a mixed fraction. So, what you simply do, you add the whole numbers. So it will be 4 plus 4, which is 8, and then you add the fraction. So it will be 8 and 4 over 5. You subtract 1 and 1 over 5. Okay? Now, we are only left with subtraction. So, you have 8 and 4 over 5, you subtract 1 and 1 over 5. You have two mixed fractions. How do you go about this one? Now, you subtract the whole numbers first, and then you subtract the fractions. Okay? So this we can relate as 8, you subtract 1, okay, the whole numbers, and then the answer you get, you add to 4 over 5, 4 over 5, you subtract 1 over 5. So we have separated the whole numbers and the fractions. Now we can work out this. 8 you subtract 1 will give us 7 plus 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5 will give us 3 over 5. So the final answer will be 7 you add to 3 over 5, which gives us 7 and 3 over 5. So this is the correct answer.